Today at Masala Hub we are making tamarind paste. To make tamarind paste we'll be using tamarind pulp. Compressed tamarind pulp usually comes with fibers and seeds. Our aim will be to make a smooth tamarind paste. Start out by adding the tamarind bits into a bowl and add some hot water. Let that sit for at least half an hour. The tamarind pulp will have soaked up the water and will be soft and easy to remove from the seeds. With your hand, mash the tamarind pulp so that it will be easier for you to separate the seeds from the pulp. Then get a sieve and press the pulp through the sieve. That way you will have your pulp falling into the pot and you are left with the seeds and fibers on top. Pick out the fibers and seeds. We will need to press them out again afterwards. Because the seeds still contain a lot of pulp, we'll be adding some more water to them and mix the whole contents so that we can press it out once more. As you can see, a lot more pulp was left on the seeds. Now you will heat up your pulp so that you kill all the bacteria. That way you'll be able to store your tamarind paste all the longer. Store your tamarind paste in the fridge in a clean jar and use it further in other dishes. Make sure to subscribe to Masala Hub. See you later.